Hello everyone, welcome to the Fruitiful Soul Writing Nook. Today I've got a writing for wellness practice for you designed to help you ground, steady, and reconnect with what supports you. For today, with steady, repeating lines, write about what helps you feel supported and stable when life feels full or shifting. We'll begin with a circle. Add lines that interweave, soften, and connect the edges and intersections, and then write from within. A soft bell will begin our practice and another will close it. So take a slow, deep breath, grab that journal and a pen, and let's begin. As we close, take a deep breath and notice how you feel. May steadiness walk with you through whatever today brings. From my heart to yours, peace. Hey, if you'd like to continue, there are other practices to explore, and the companion book to this series, it's linked in the description.